Okay, so I didn't vlog yesterday. Uh, Last night, sorry. I vlogged a little yesterday in Vienna. Uh, so I'm staying at a hotel, motel. I don't know what this is. It's called the Old Timer. It was pretty expensive. They didn't offer a lot. I got a better deal in Budapest. They had breakfast included for 75, and here I paid like 69 without breakfast, which is, I don't know. I don't know why people keep staying in places like this. I guess out of desperation. They, they're tired and they're not thinking straight. I know that's what I did. So yesterday, on my first day, this is day 3 now. I don't know how far I'll get because it's raining again. I don't know, I don't think it's gonna stop raining for a while. So my best chance is to just get out of this area and maybe we'll have better weather somewhere else. Cause yesterday it was a really bad day. On the first day I rode like 600 kilometers and something, and yesterday I rode 200 and something plus around 200 in the wrong direction because I couldn't use my GPS. It was raining really bad, so I thought I was going in the right direction, but then I wasn't. I had to double back for the rain. Man, it's really bad on the highway, especially with heavy rain. Yeah, so I Skyped my mom yesterday, but we didn't talk a lot because I was really tired, I was frustrated, and we only talked for like 5 minutes. Then I went straight to bed. Fortunately, I slept last night. I slept from 9 or 10 till 7 this one. Hopefully I'll make up for yesterday today, but I don't wanna jinx it. I don't wanna promise anything. Anything else? Yeah, well, that's it for now. I'll just see you another time. See you later. Yes. Bye.